In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy or duplicate an Unbounce page. Duplicating a page in Unbounce is a quick way to reuse a design, spin up a new campaign with a proven layout, or keep your original page untouched while you experiment. To get started, log into your Unbounce account and head straight to the main dashboard. This is the All Pages screen, where you can see every landing page associated with your account. If you manage multiple clients or workspaces, make sure you're viewing the correct one so you're duplicating the right asset. Next, locate the page you want to duplicate. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar to find it faster. Take a moment to confirm you've got the correct page by glancing at the thumbnail, the page title, and the last edited date. That quick check helps you avoid copying an outdated version. When you've found the page, hover over its row and look for the three dots, sometimes called the ellipsis, to the right of the page name. Click those three dots to open the More Options menu. This menu is where Unbounce keeps actions like publishing, archiving, and, most importantly for us today, duplicating. From that drop-down, select Duplicate. As soon as you click it, Unbounce will guide you through what will be included in the copy. You'll see a prompt to choose which variants to duplicate. Variants are simply the different versions of your page used for A/B testing or for maintaining alternate layouts. You'll typically have a few choices. Selecting all active variants is the recommended option for most situations. It ensures every version currently in use is carried over into the new page, so your copy reflects what's live or being tested. You can also choose all inactive variants if you're working from older layouts, or pick a combination if you only need specific versions. Think about what you're planning to do with the duplicate. If you want an exact working replica, include the active variants. If you're referencing older designs, include those inactive ones. Once you've made your selection, click the duplicate button to confirm. Unbounce will create a copy of your page with the variants you chose. The original page remains untouched, and your new duplicate will appear back in the All Pages list. You'll see it listed alongside your other pages, usually with a name indicating it's a copy, so it's easy to spot. That's all there is to it. By using the duplicate option and choosing the right variants, you can quickly build on your best performing pages while keeping your original work safe and unchanged.